No one touch me. Where are you going? No one touch me. Where are you giving a camera? The students' fraternity. Yes. When we reached out the students, yes, they told us, yes, what is oppressing them. Yes. They started. Yes. They told us, yes, they are not allowed to do exams, yes, when they have not completed tuition. Yes. And when I talk to the students, yes, these are many stakeholders, yes, without students, yes, that implies, yes, there is no Chambok University. Yes. So today, yes, we decided, yes, to show the injustices, yes, that we are facing as a student. Yes. If the management, yes, we mean we run today, yes, after waiting today, yes, they need a few, yes, to respond, yes, to our request. Yes. We gave them a deadline, yes, but they complied, yes, with a zero response. Yes. So as the students of Chambok University, yes, we decided, yes, at least to protest, yes, and we want to assure them, yes, if they don't meet our deadline, yes, we shall affirm today, yes, that we shall not do exam, yes, we shall not sit for the examination, yes, until, yes, our demand, yes, is, yes, without our demand, yes, no sitting for examination, yes, no such, yes, no such, yes. Don't be the student. Don't be the student. Students, yes, I mean today, yes, that if it's not today, yes, then is it today? Yes. When we are going, yes, to get our revolution, yes. Attacking, dear students, yes, dear students, yes, if we find you, yes, pretending, yes, to be in your lecture room, yes, we'll treat you like a Tonguka, yes, we'll treat you like an enemy, yes, to the students, yes, we'll treat you like an enemy, yes, to our parents, yes, who are struggling, yes, dear students, yes, we have declared, yes, that from today, yes, I mean today, yes, this very day, yes, there shall be no test, yes, there shall be no exam, yes, and they do not, yes, respond to our letter, yes, dear students, yes, dear students, yes, they are not here, yes.